Hi guys, so today we're going to be making the original orange chicken, and I'm going to be showing you how to achieve that crispy on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside with a perfect balance of the sweet and sour flavor. First, of course, we want to start with a fresh chicken, and in this video I'm going to be using boneless chicken thigh. I already cut off the excess fat, and of course you can also use chicken breast if that's your choice. You want to start by cutting them into about 1 inch to 1.5 inch cubes. Now it's time to make the batter. In a medium mixing bowl, add 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Whisk to combine. Create a well in the center of your flour mixture and crack in 2 eggs. Mix the eggs together. Add 1.5 cup of water. Slowly add this until it reaches the consistency of a pancake batter. Two tablespoons of oil. Whisk to combine. Add the chopped chicken to the batter, mixing well until it is well coated. Cover with cling film and set in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Now, heat your oil till about 180 degrees and drop your chicken in. Don't add too much chicken all at once because you don't want the oil temperature to drop. Maybe about just 10 to 15 pieces at a time, and only fry this for 3 to 5 minutes. Set aside for about 5 minutes and increase the temperature of your oil to about 200 degrees. Now, add all the chicken in all at once, stirring continuously until it is golden brown. Once your chicken is ready, fish them out onto a paper towel. Heat up a frying pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of garlic, half teaspoon ginger, 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes. Cook this for 30 seconds, stirring constantly. Add 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of white sugar. Stir to combine. Adding 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice. Stir this until the sugar is dissolved. Adding 1.5 teaspoon of orange zest, 1/4 cup of vinegar, two tablespoons of soy sauce. To make a cornstarch slurry, stir 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Add this mixture to the sauce and stir to avoid lumps. Continue cooking on medium-low heat for about 2 minutes or until it's a little bit thicker than a syrup consistency. Add in your fried chicken and stir it together until it is well coated in the sauce. Top with 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Stir this together. Now your chicken is ready. Looks good. Take them out and serve or garnish with your favorite toppings. Now your chicken should look something like this. Very glazed, turned down the inside, and of course absolutely delicious. And if you're like me and you like your food a little bit spicy, I added a little bit of chili flakes. I also topped with a sprinkle of sesame seeds, and a few chopped scallions, just for good measure. I hope you enjoy watching the video as much as I did making it. So please feel free to leave some comments, and please like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.